More now on the coronavirus outbreak. The outbreak now impacting Bergen County in New Jersey, along with New York City, Westchester, and Nassau counties.
We are live with team coverage this morning, beginning with Jenna DeAngelis live outside NYU Winthrop Hospital in Mineola. Jenna?
Chris and Mary, the first confirmed case here on Long Island is a 42-year-old man who's hospitalized here, but we're told his condition is improving. Health officials say he didn't travel or have contact with any other person that tested positive, so now they're working to figure out how he was exposed. It's a race against the clock for officials trying to trace the path of the coronavirus in our area as the number of confirmed cases in New York doubled Thursday, with at least 22 people infected and more expected.
The more people you test, the more positives you are going to find.
The biggest spike in Westchester County. The first confirmed case there, an attorney from New Rochelle who remains hospitalized. 17 people linked to him have also tested positive and are isolated in their homes. It's believed Rabbi Reuven Fink is among them. His identity confirmed overnight in this tweet from Yeshiva University. In New York City, there are 2 new cases, a man in his 40s and a woman in her 80s. Long Island now has its first positive case, a 42-year-old Nassau County man.
The goal now is to avoid community spread.
Those in close contact with the patient have been advised to isolate themselves. The same rule applies in New Jersey, where officials are investigating the first 2 positive cases in the state, including a New York healthcare worker in his 30s who lives in Fort Lee.
We do have Bergen County residents that were identified to have had contact with those from the New Rochelle incident, and those people are self-quarantined.
Officials say testing those quarantined is key, but there are only 1,000 test kits available in New York City.
We need the CDC to send more test kits because we anticipate that we're gonna burn through these.
We need to get to the point where we can do hundreds a day, every day, maybe even more at some point. And we're not there yet.
Federal health officials say they only have tests for 400,000 people, and that's short of demand.
We don't have enough tests today to meet what we anticipate will be the demand going forward.
President Trump today is expected to sign a bill for an $8 billion coronavirus funding package. Now, test kits for 1.5 million people are reportedly going to become available by the end of next week. We're live in Mineola, Long Island. Jenna DeAngelis, CBS 2 News.
Jenna, thank you.